Article 91 of the Family Code. What constitutes community property? Article 91 of the Family Code says that unless otherwise provided in this chapter or in the marriage settlement, the community property shall consist of all property owned by the spouses at the time of celebration of the marriage or acquired thereafter. So, nagpasabot, all of your properties, tanan nimo na properties owned during the celebration of the marriage or katong property nga na-acquired or you acquired after the celebration of the marriage. So, kung naay question nga when it begins, community property begins on the wedding day and cannot change during the marriage. Nya naapoy what it includes. All property owned by either spouse at the same time of marriage, as well as any property acquired during the marriage. So kung naay includes, naapoy excluded. There are properties which are considered to be excluded to the community property. For example, si Maris Racal, gitagaan siya or nakamana siya before sa marriage, like amount to 10 million pesos from her parents. Kanang ang iyang nadawat is 10 million pesos na acquire nga walay kapalit bitaw because of this gratuitous title. So if she inherit or donation man, it will not form part the absolute community of property except kung gi-state or sa will or sa deed of donation gi-donate to Maris Racal, gi-provided to na kini siya na property mo form part sa community of property. Otherwise, the general rule is acquired by Maris during the marriage by gratuitous title is considered to be separate property. And another example for excluded is properties for personal use of either spouse, with exception of katong jewelry. And lastly is mga properties acquired before the marriage by either spouse who has legitimate descendants from a previous marriage. Thank you.